Hi, this is one of my favorite websites. It's called Plain Chicken. It sounds ridiculous, but it's really amazing. I have 4 kids. I'm a busy mom. I work full time, and we're kind of all going here, there, and everywhere. And I'm a menu planner. I like to plan what we're eating in advance, so I know what to get at the grocery store. I'm kind of weird that way, but this is one of the websites, that we use or that I use to find what I want to eat for my family. I can either come up here to Recipe Index, and it has it by ingredient, course, cooking style, or even holiday. I can scroll through, click on the picture. They have recipes by course. A lot of great options, snacks, drinks included. She also does something that has, Meow Monday, where she talks about her cats. But this by far is one of my favorite websites with meal planning to help my family not eat the same old thing every week for dinner.